Now, first thing we have to do is cross multiplication. You will get 3 multiplied by t here, and then on the other side you will get 7 multiplied by 18 here. You need t, you need the value of t. So 3 multiplying on both sides, 3 will cancel with this 3, and then t equals to 3 ones are 3, 3 six are 18, 6 sevens are 42. The first one is 42. Yeah, it's a great, good one. 42. Okay, now move to the word the next. 2 by 9 equals to x by 45. Okay, what should we have to do? First thing we have to cross multiplication. 9 multiplied by x here. Okay, we don't need 9 here, so that's why dividing 9 on both sides, you will get 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. It's a 5 twos are 10. So your value of x is 10. Yeah, that's great. Good job. Okay. Now question number 3 is 56 by 196. 196 and 132 by 462. 132 by 462. So just make sure how this is it equivalent or not. Okay. How can I make sure it? We have to cancellation. Uh, uh, which table is more complex? Okay, 3 1 3 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16. Okay, 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, 2 eights are 16. And we have 28 by 98, 28 by 98. Again with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18. Then we have 7 twos are 14, 7 sevens are 49. We will get 2 by 7. Okay, first
Okay.
fraction is 2 by 7. And the next 132, 132 divided by 462. First cancel with 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Okay. Again we have 66 divided by 231. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Now 11 twos are 22, 11 sevens are. It's a 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Now look at this. It's an equivalent fraction, but why you say that it's not equal? Why you saying this not equal? It's the equivalent fraction. Look at this one. 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Are you gonna say that it's not equal?
Oh,
Do it again. Do it again, and this time you have to make sure this is come to equal. Okay?
okay.
Follow my method. Just follow my method. We have a question is 56 by 196. 196, and the other fraction
Equivalent.
is equal to.
Yes.
Okay. Now move towards the next question. Which one is the next question? It's 15 over 36 and 40 96. 15 over 36 and then 40 over 96. 40 over 96, 15 over 36. Okay, first you have to complete the first fraction. For this you have to cancel with 3 5 the 15, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. You will get 5 by 12. Okay.
Okay.
Now in the second fraction, 40 by 96. Now we're gonna solve it. Okay. On the table number 4, 14 tens are 40, 4 twos are 8, 4 fours are 16. Again you will get 10 and 24. Again divide, uh, 2 fives are 10 or 2 eights are 24. No, sorry. 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 12, 2 twos are 4. So you will get 5 over 12 here. And then here is also 5 over 12. So this one is the equivalent fraction. Or you're gonna say that it's not equal to equal fraction. 5 by 12 and 5 by 12 is the same answer. Or you're gonna say that it's the equivalent fraction. Tell me.
It is equivalent.
It's not equivalent.
Oh,
Oh, tell me.
it is equivalent.
It's the equivalent fraction. Yes, it's the equivalent fraction. Why? Because the first fraction having the answer is 5 by 12 and the same as it is second one, 5 by 12. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Clear about this? If I'm
Yes.
going to give you the same question, can you solve it? Mu by 27 and then hold a second. 49 by 105, 49 105 by 105. Okay. What we have next? The 30 by 45. Okay, we have two fractions that are equal to the same fraction. Okay. How to put this other? Okay, and whether the puts are equal or not. So also tell me that how you're gonna judge that the numbers are equivalent or not. 2 by 9 and 45. 2 by 9 equals to n and 45. Okay, next we have uh, 4 by 14, 4 by 11, let's go, and n equal n by 3. Can you hear me, Shadia?
Yes, I
Hello?
can hear you.
Mm, okay. Okay. Okay, these are the numbers. These are the questions. In this question, you have to figure out the equivalent fraction or not. Equivalent or not. Okay,
Okay.
in the circle part. Now the in given word you have to figure out the just unknown variable. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. Now
Okay.
do it right now. Do it right now. Okay. Round in decimal. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about the question number 35, A, B, C, D, fourth part. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, till that, Allah Hafiz. But the first thing is that you have to make sure you have to practice from question number 3 to question number 34. Okay? I will check it. I will I will ask about this. Do you practice it? Did you practice or not?
Okay.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.